Okay, let's take a look at how to add a new billing provider to your CarePaths site. When you first sign up, a billing provider will be created for you by default using the information that you input when you signed up. However, certain payers may have different requirements, which may require you to create new billing providers. So you can do that from this direct link on your homepage where it says Billing Providers, or by going to the Claims menu up here. Process is going to be the same either way. Click on Billing Providers, Add New Billing Provider. First, we're going to look at this Payer menu up top. You can see the option for all payers, or if you're only going to be sending to a specific payer using this billing provider in order to meet requirements of theirs, you can just select a single provider. Under Type, you're going to select Organization or Person, depending on the MPI that you're using. Here we're going to put the last name of the person, or the organization name if we're using an organization NPI type. Since this is a person, we're going to add a first name as well. Again, going to add an NPI. Again, this is a personal NPI rather than an organization NPI based on the type we selected. Address. City. State and zip. And for zip code, you're going to want to make sure you're using the full 9-digit version of your zip code, or zip +4. If you don't know your 9-digit zip code, you can look that up on the USPS website using your address. Tax ID type. Tax ID, and typically that is going to be all the information that we need. You can fill out contact information here. That can be useful so the payer knows how to get a hold of you if they need to. And if you are receiving payments at a different address than where you're providing service, you're going to want to look at this Pay to Provider address. And you'll put the address you receive payments at down here. But otherwise, we can go ahead and click Save. Once we've added the new billing provider and you've gotten this positive message, you can click Map Clinical Staff to Billing Providers. And here you're going to want to add any providers that are going to be using this billing provider for their claims. So we'll just hit Select. Next to the provider that we want, click Add. And now you can see this rendering provider is added to this billing provider. We can do that for any other providers that we need. Alright, that's pretty much all we need to know here. Thanks for watching.